Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Today we'll be doing some more ink mixing. We're going to be mixing some metallic gold color, and the particular color is going to be this Pantone 871C. It's kind of metallic and it has a shimmer to it. In the past, what I've done is I've actually purchased this on the internet, and it's over $30 for this little container. It's the metallic gold shimmer, the color I'm looking for. And so I got thinking there's got to be a way I can do it that's more cost effective for my business and still have the same quality. So I got onto my supplier for my Plastisol inks, and what I found was they had, in the mixing system that I currently have, they have an ink that's a silver shimmer ink. And what you do is you get it and you mix it with the mixing system, you have the metallic gold color that we're needing. So that's what we're going to do, so stay tuned, it's coming up right now. Also, so be sure to stay tuned until the very end of the video. I've got some information I want to share with you guys, something that I'm going to be doing here on the channel on a monthly basis. Alright, today I'm going to be making some golden shimmer type of paint, and what I want to be using is this. This is all Wilflex Epic series. I'm going to be adding Epic Silver Shimmer with Blaze Orange, Sunshine Yellow, and Deep Black. So let's go ahead and get this mixing. I'm going to be making only 200 grams of this. So let's get going here. Okay, with this, we're going to need 158.66 grams. Make sure the blade's cleaned off. I don't want to add any other colors to the mixture here. Pretty nice, look at. Got to add just a little more here. Too much. There we go. Close enough. Okay, clear. Let's zero out the scale. Next we need Sunshine Yellow, 32.51. Next we're going to do Blaze Orange, which is just 5 grams. Always want to wipe off the extra because you don't add any more to the mix here. Okay, now we're just going to mix this dude up. So I'm going to grab all this stuff here, and we're going to bring it into this. Good. Just gonna mix this really thoroughly. Mix this thoroughly. Sorry, turn off the camera. And there you have gold. Okay guys, thank you so much for watching the video. If you like this video, make sure you subscribe and do a thumbs up. That helps my ranking here on YouTube. So I've decided what I'm going to start doing is every month I'm going to have a special shirt for the month. So if you guys want to purchase these shirts, you'll be able to do so. I'm kicking it off with this shirt right here, Truth. It's a berry colored Gildan 5000 shirt, heavy cotton. This is going to be heat transfer vinyl, so that's what this is going to be. And the special will be $10 and free shipping for the whole month. And so you can find that down in the description. It'll go to coolprintstoday.com and you can purchase the shirt for $10, free shipping. Alright guys, thank you so much, and we'll catch you in the next video.